Paano mag full screen? Nevermind, inon ko na lang sa settings. Of what? I'm screen recording, by the way. Hey, I'm screen recording and you're doing that. Sabihin nila meron akong damas na kalaro. Random lang yun guys, di kayo kilala. Random lang yun, random. Come here. Watch TV. Come here. You like our house? Oh, I don't wanna delete this house. I'm gonna be so sad. So good. Babe, eat time. Eat time. Eat time. You're what? What's that? What's that? How are you gonna go there? Bro, that's us. That's us. Yeah, that's us. Pakilala mo yung ano. Wait, pakilala mo yung pet natin. No! Sabi mo name and then room. Okay, we not what it. Say name and then the name. Say this is. Oh my god, you fucked up my head. Say name, tas yung name niya. Say name and then yung name niya. You don't get it. What? That's not what I mean. You dumbass. Do you even, bruh? Come here. Isa-isa. Say name. Not his name. Say the word name. Yes. Just dude. Oh my god. Hello. Hello. Okay, go. And then itlog sa taas. Islog. Tapos itlog. Ah, this is the monster doll. This is the curse doll. That's dumb stupid fuck. No. Oh no. It's nice. Bro, we need to save this. That's you, by the way. This is you. This, that is you. No, that's you. That's you. And then we're gonna show them you playing your computer. Wow, so exciting. Hey, you like that? Ah, Andy. Miss Natalia. Babe, tara. Ito si Natalia. Oh. Natalia. Natalia. Natalia is two. Natalia is two. No, Natalia! No! No! Natalia is two! No! No, no, no! Natalia is two! Natalia is two! Bro! Walang po kayo nun. Huh? Fuck! Save this! Save this! Save this! Save this! Okay. Can we take a picture tayong dalawa muna? Picturean mo ako. Wait lang. Wait. My mouse fucking died. Okay. Come here. Take picture of me here. Layo ka. Babe, sana naman kita yung background sa screenshot mo. Okay. I'm gonna say goodbye now. Babe, stay there. I'll take a picture of you. Hello. Good na. Burn. Burn. Burn.